start. Once Abraham Lincoln said, "Give me 6 hours to chop down a tree. I'll spend first 4 on sharpening the axe." So during my graduation days, I and my friends have planned for a vacation to one of the hill stations in North India, that is Nainital. Actually, we have planned on a very short duration, so we couldn't get much time, but we started off our trip with a very less planning, and we thought of spending 3 days over there, but we landed back in 1 day due to improper planning. Good evening, fellow Toastmasters and respective judges. Today I am here to narrate about importance of planning, and I chose tourism or traveling to emphasize the importance of planning. So let's go back to the graduation days. Actually, there was a long vacation in 10 days of when we decided for a vacation, and my friends have suggested for a tour or a trip. So we actually started searching for the ideal place for a trip, and it was hot summers in Delhi that time. So we wanted to visit a cold place where we can enjoy the cool breeze of that place. So we chose Nainital, which is a hill station in North India. So without even thinking, we started booking train tickets because that was the first thing to be done, and we were fortunate to get the tickets. So immediately we started booking the tickets without even planning a trip, like what we have to do there and where do we have to stay, anything. So we just started our trip with booking the tickets. Then I have I took an assumption that Nainital is a very big hill station. So I thought we can get accommodation easily over there once we reach. So we started our trip, and one thing I believe in nature is when we think to do something, nature also helps us to achieve that. So that same happened in my case also. Already I was having an incomplete planning for my trip. Along with that, nature helped me in heavy rainfalls during that day in the complete train journey. So due to heavy rainfall, the traveling time was more. So it was around 7 hours expected, but it took 10 hours to reach the destination. And we started in the evening, so it went up till a late night by the time we reached the place. Out of all these unfortunate things, there was one good feeling. What I had was the girl whom I met in the trip. So I was fortunate enough to see one girl, and I was trying to talk with her in the complete journey, but I couldn't speak with her because she was traveling with her family, and there were many members in her family. So they were keep on chatting with me, and they didn't give me a chance to speak with that girl. I was actually trying to grab a chance, but I couldn't. So like in this all the movies, I went there in the train door and I was waiting so that at least here I could get a chance. So finally I was luck actually was with me, and the girl came for washing hands near the train door. So I actually started speaking with her. We had few words. Then our conversation was developing. That's when her brothers came there. So I couldn't continue my conversation. I was fortunate enough to know her name, that's all. And that was during my graduation days. So there was no Facebook that time. So with that name I couldn't do anything. I just went back to my college and I searched in Orkut and all, but nowhere I couldn't find her girl. So I had to leave that. But in the complete journey, we two used to exchange our looks. So that was the best point. Like I was carrying it with me for some days, but I couldn't find that girl, so I left that chapter over there. So coming back to the journey, now we reached very late to Nainital, and due to the heavy rains, we were already in a soup. We couldn't do anything. So we finally managed one taxi guy, and we asked him to take to a hotel where we can stay. We had actually went round and round and round in the complete town, the station, and we couldn't find a place to stay. Finally, we decided that we couldn't get any accommodation to stay. The taxi driver showed us one empty building over there. He said, "Sir, you can stay here for till morning, because anyhow it's very late and no one is opening the doors also." The whoever opened, they were saying that the hotel is full. So we started. He said that stay over there sir till morning, then you can find accommodation. We started okay. We went there. We saw the building and it was okay. We all were tired, so we took a nap, and we all woke up in the morning. And the reason for waking up is people started playing football. That's when we saw it's a football ground. So we slept in a building which was office for that football ground. So we all were hungry actually, because we didn't have dinner in the night due to this journey and all. So we were actually searching for a food cart, and finally we found one cart when the vendor was still busy in setting up his cart. So we requested him to start and give us a breakfast as early as possible. He was trying, and we all were feeling like we all felt like we are a caveman where we discovered fire and alchemist where he had invented gold, because we were seeing the food he was preparing, and we were very much waiting for the food. And finally he served us. Then we started our treasure hunt, that is again accommodation search. We went, but we couldn't find any place. Finally we decided that we can't get an accommodation here due to very late planning. So we took a local taxi and we went around in the Nainital. Then we started back to our college immediately that night itself. So that's when I decided that my assumptions were actually completely ground to dust, and all my expectations about the travel melt like a butter on a toast. Nothing left. Everything we have eaten. So finally we landed back to our college in one day. So what I want to highlight here is planning is most important for everything whatever we do before we execute, and try to spend some quality time in planning, so that quality time in planning will surely lead successful results. So finally one line I want to tell is, traveling leaves you speechless and then turns you into a storyteller. That is what I have done today. Thank you.